What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a little video for you today. So I've been busy doing the shop thing. Very cool. It's pretty much done, and this is the first time I've been able to get build using my Haywire, my 20 gauge G-Plat Elite. So I'm pumped on it, and we will be actually stocking this on the Vapergate website in the next 5-7 days, something like that. Anyways, I got my Kuma here and my authentic Omega as well, and I'm running a single coil build. It's a 0.16, and it's pretty fun wire. This thing is just ridiculous. This is probably the worst thing to build it in for my first impression, but whatever, I wanted to build on it. Anyways, I'm gonna blow a cloud. It's not ridiculous because of this whole thing going on, but it's pretty good. So. Over here. I got a shop kitty. It's doing better. So this is good. I'm also using bacon cotton, and Shane brought that by. Thanks, Shane. The bacon cotton is good, and it wicks really well. I forgot my juice, guys. So Haywire with bacon cotton, vaping a 2080 Vapergate juice, and this thing is pretty boss. I'm gonna hit it again for you guys. Yeah, it's a good one. Set off the fire alarm. Talk to you later.